Welcome to video 2. This is Florian from ComSpace, and we want to just quickly talk what is CocoonMaker. And we have just talked about Cocoon in the first video, where we literally use a tiny tool on our ComSpace tab. Here, the first tool where we can convert any unknown sections to advanced steel members. Well, this is happening because of some references we have to produce. We produced and created for you already. Unless you have something custom, watch the next video where I show you how you can create these tables when you have something completely custom coming out of the nowhere. So let's simply find out what CocoonMaker is. So when we go to the home, we find somewhere some manage tools, I believe. Under the table editor, we should have some raster profiles available for us. So I'm just picking maybe a tiny table. And the challenge is that our Cocoon converts our sections based on some engineering moments. This is the safest way, because when it comes to any bending, any stress or others, this is commonly being done, well, designed based on the engineering moments. Unfortunately, our tables are blank in advanced steel. So some are included, some not. For this, we striving for consistency, have created all these tables with these values. So rather messing with your advanced steel installation, we have not added these to the database. Because here and there, the one or the other number might be a little bit different, which might not be part of the column here. So one or the other color might be a little bit different. So what we found as the best way. And so this is what our CocoonMaker does, that it creates these engineering moments as a reference so that we can actually convert these. This would look a little bit like this. When we click here on our Cocoon, we can just here make use some on this PC. We should have a installation folder, and we just go to program files. Let's go to our Autodesk, and let's go maybe here to our application plugins. And I have an example file here, section libraries, where we have here maybe a blank example. Let's have a look into this blank example. I might quickly edit it, and we see here that it uses the table name and the section to recreate the numbers here for us. Okay, so having said this, let's open this thing up. How do we want to save it? Maybe I quickly save this on the desktop, call it maybe quickly demo, and save it. And then it should be nice for me and should create this file. Let me quickly demonstrate what it actually did calculate under the desktop. Remember, we had this demo and we can edit it. So it created a couple of reference numbers for us. These are the missing ones, doesn't matter, they're now available. Yeah, you can make use of these files. And now when we would specify this as a reference, we can turn here these unknown sections into something real. So again, we can now specify here, let's say under the desktop, our demo CSV. Let's say, for instance, we have a boundary method on top. Now let's be just being maybe straightforward here and select a handful of them, and then we can convert those into our sections. So rather dealing here with the 3D solid, we then have our advanced steel beam, and we can use our custom sections or parametric. Enjoy the next video. I show you how we can create these files with a custom section.